Welcome to Ace English Daily. Hello everyone. How are you today? Today we are going to learn how to order food at a restaurant in English. In this video, you will follow a simple and relaxing conversation between two friends eating out together. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. Here is today's question. What are the 3 questions you can ask at a restaurant? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write all 3 questions in the comments section below. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. And if you are new here, please subscribe to Ace English Daily right now. Just click the subscribe button and the bell. You will get a new free English lesson every single day. All right, are you ready? Let us begin.
Ugh, I am so hungry today.
Me too. I did not eat much this morning.
We have been walking for a very long time.
Yes, my feet are tired, but I feel good.
Look at that restaurant over there. It looks really nice.
It does look good, but I always feel a little nervous when I order in English.
That is okay. You do not have to worry at all.
What if I say something wrong?
It is totally fine. Just use simple and clear words. The staff are always very kind.
Really? You think so?
Yes, and I will be right next to you. We can order together. I will help you.
Okay, that makes me feel so much better.
Perfect. Let us go inside together.
Wait, before we go in, I want to ask you something important.
Sure. What is it?
I always see people putting their fork and knife in different positions on their plate. What does that mean?
Oh, that is a very useful thing to know. This is our first cultural tip for today.
Oh, great. Please tell me.
When you are still eating your meal, you place your fork and knife in a V shape on your plate.
A V shape? Like the letter V?
Yes, exactly. That tells the waiter that you are not finished yet. You are still eating.
And when I finish my meal?
When you finish eating, you place your fork and knife together, side by side on the plate.
Side by side, together. That means I am done.
Exactly. It is a polite and quiet way to say thank you for the meal. No words needed.
Wow, I did not know that before. That is really useful to know.
Yes, you do not have to worry too much about it, but it is always nice to know these things.
I feel more confident now. Let us go inside.
Let's go.
Wow, this place is really nice inside.
Yes, it is very warm and cozy in here. I love it.
It smells so good in here. Can you smell that?
Yes, the food smells amazing. I am even more hungry now.
Look at all these tables, and the menu is right here on the table.
Great. Let us sit down and look at the menu together.
The waiter comes to our table and smiles. He welcomes us and asks how many people.
My friend holds up 2 fingers and says, 2 people, please.
The waiter nods and says, sure. This way, please. He walks us to a nice table by the window.
We sit down. The waiter hands us 2 menus and says he will be back in a moment.
Okay, there are so many choices on this menu.
Yes, take your time. There's absolutely no rush.
Emma, I do not understand this word here on the menu. What does it mean?
Which one? Show me.
This one here. What kind of dish is this?
That is a meat dish. It is very popular here. A lot of people order it every day.
Oh, I see. It sounds really good. But how do I ask the waiter about it?
You can say, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Perfect. That is very natural English. The waiter will love that question.
What do you recommend? I will remember that.
You can also say, is this popular?
Is this popular?
Yes, that is another great and natural question to ask.
Is this popular? I really like that one too.
And if you want to know about spicy food, you say, is this spicy?
Is this spicy?
Exactly. So we have 3 very useful questions for any restaurant.
What do you recommend? Is this popular? Is this spicy?
Perfect. You are ready to order. I am so proud of you.
I think I am ready. I want something with chicken today.
Then look at this one. Grilled chicken with fresh vegetables. It sounds delicious.
That looks really good. And what about drinks?
I want to tell you one more very useful thing about drinks. This is our second cultural tip for today.
Oh, great. What is it?
In many Western restaurants, people often choose between red wine and white wine with their meal.
I always hear about red wine and white wine, but I never really understood the difference.
There's a very simple and easy idea. Red wine usually goes well with meat dishes,
Red wine with meat. Okay, I understand.
and white wine usually goes well with fish and light dishes.
White wine with fish. That makes a lot of sense.
Red wine has a stronger and deeper taste, so it matches strong flavors like meat very well.
And white wine is lighter and softer, so it is better with fish and solids.
Exactly. You understand it perfectly. But this is just a general idea. You do not have to follow it.
So I can choose whatever I like best.
Of course. And you do not have to drink wine at all. Water or juice is always perfectly fine.
That is so good to know. I feel very relaxed now.
The most important thing is always to enjoy your meal and your time.
I really like that idea. Okay, I can see the waiter is coming to our table now.
Great. I will help you with exactly what to say.
The waiter smiles and asks us if we are ready to order.
My friend smiles back and says, "Yes, I think so. I would like the grilled chicken, please."
The waiter nods and asks, "Would you like rice or bread with your chicken?"
My friend thinks for a moment and says, "Rice, please. And can I have some water, please?"
The waiter asks, "Still water or sparkling water?"
My friend says clearly, "Still water, please. Thank you very much."
Then the waiter looks at me and waits for my order. I take a breath and say clearly,
My friend looks at the menu one more time and says, "I will have the fish, please."
The waiter smiles and says, "Great choice." He asks, "Is there anything else you need?" We both say together, "No, thank you. That is everything. Thank you so much." The waiter writes down our order and says, "I will bring your food very soon. Enjoy." My friend looks at me and says, "We did it. Yes, we ordered our food in English, and it was so easy."
See, simple words are always enough. You do not need complicated English.
I feel really proud of myself right now.
You should feel proud. Your English is getting better every single day.
Oh, look, the waiter is bringing our food and drinks to the table now.
Finally, I am so hungry. I cannot wait to eat.
Me too. The food looks absolutely amazing.
And look at all these forks and knives on the table. There are so many.
Yes, which one do I use first? I am not sure.
In Western meals, you always start from the outside and then move inside as the meal goes on.
From the outside first. I see. That is very interesting.
Yes, the fork and knife on the outside are for the first dish. The ones inside are for later.
And as each dish comes, I move to the inside ones.
Exactly. That is why restaurants put so many forks and knives on the table.
I never knew that before. That is so interesting to learn.
But do not worry too much about it. If you are not sure, just watch other people.
That is very good and practical advice.
Most people do not mind at all. Everyone is here to enjoy their meal.
If you are enjoying this lesson right now, this is the perfect moment to subscribe to Ace English Daily. Go to our channel page and click the big red subscribe button. Then click the bell next to it. That way you will never miss a single free English lesson. We upload new content every single day just for you.
Okay, let us eat now. The food is getting cold.
All right, let us enjoy our meal.
This chicken is so soft and so delicious.
I am really glad you like it. My fish is very fresh and light.
I am so happy we came to this restaurant today.
Me too. This was such a good choice.
The food here is amazing, and I feel so comfortable speaking English now.
That is because you practiced today. and practice always makes perfect.
Every time I speak English, I feel more and more confident.
That is exactly how it works, step by step, day by day, little by little.
And menus can be confusing sometimes, but there are some helpful tips.
Like what? Tell me more.
If you see the words daily special on the menu, it means today's special dish. It is often very fresh.
Oh, so it is special just for today. That is good to know.
Also, some menus have what is called a set menu or a course menu.
Set menu means the food comes together, right?
Yes, you usually get a main dish and a side dish together. It is easy and simple to choose.
And if you see pictures on the menu, use them. Pictures help so much.
Exactly. And if you are not sure about something, you can always ask the waiter.
Like saying, "What is this?" or "What do you recommend?"
Exactly. Those are perfect questions for any restaurant in the world.
I feel so much less nervous now about ordering in English.
That is great. You are learning and growing step by step. I am proud of you.
And the delicious food makes everything even better.
That is very true. Let us take our time and enjoy every bite.
I am full now. That meal was really, really good.
Me too. I enjoyed every single bite.
I think it is time to pay the bill now.
Okay, I will show you exactly what to say. First, get the waiter's attention gently. You say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
The waiter comes to our table and smiles. You look at my friend and say clearly,
Could we get the check, please?
"Perfect." The waiter nods and says, "Of course, I will bring it right away."
The waiter brings the check to our table. My friend looks at it and then asks,
"Can we pay here at the table?"
The waiter says yes. My friend then asks one more question.
"Can I pay by card, please?"
The waiter says yes, of course. He brings the card machine to our table.
My friend taps the card on the machine. The payment is done.
My friend smiles and says, "Thank you very much. That was a really wonderful meal."
The waiter smiles and says, "Thank you. Please come back and visit us again soon."
And just like that, we ordered our food, we asked questions, and we paid, all in English.
I cannot believe how easy it was. I was nervous at first.
But you stayed calm and you used simple and clear English.
Simple English really does work. You do not need perfect English at all.
Just clear words and a polite and friendly tone.
And a warm smile. Always smile. It makes everything easier.
Right, I will never forget that lesson.
How do you feel now after all of this?
I feel very confident. I feel ready for anything.
That is so wonderful to hear. You grew so much today.
Next time, I want to try going to a restaurant completely alone.
I think you are absolutely ready for that. I believe in you.
Thank you so much for helping me today. I learned so much.
Anytime. Learning is always so much easier when you enjoy it.
Today was really fun. Let us try another restaurant next time.
I'm already looking forward to our next meal together.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English today. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What are the 3 questions you can ask at a restaurant? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find all 3? If you did, please write all 3 questions in the comment section right now. Even one simple sentence is perfectly fine. By practicing English output like this every single day, you can improve your listening and speaking skills step by step. And before I go, I want to remind you one more time. If you have not subscribed to Ace English Daily yet, please do it right now. Go to our channel page, click the big red subscribe button, and click the bell. It only takes 2 seconds, and it means you will never miss a free English lesson from us. We are here every single day to help you speak English with confidence and with joy. On this channel, we share slow and easy English conversations to help beginners build real confidence in listening and speaking. If you enjoyed this video today, please like the video, subscribe to Ace English Daily, and leave a comment below with your 3 answers. It really helps our channel grow and it makes us very happy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.